phase one, moving to Florida, complete. Still gotta get the car shipped. Easy day. All right, bros, this is my last night having the vet here in San Diego. She gets shipped out tomorrow morning. As you can see, the bike's already gone. And now it's her turn. About to pull up one more time, one time for the one time. And that's it. It was a fun run. It was a fun run, SD. Coming to Jacksonville. Gonna be giving Jacksonville some hell. I know there's a ton of fast guys out there. Hopefully I can hang with them. Always do my final walkthroughs before I take it out. Make sure nothing came undone. You know, the coils, fucking injectors, everything's plugged in. I don't know who else does this, but maybe I'm just OCD. Last night in San Diego, Terminator. Gonna be riding passenger today for the first time. It's life ain't it, boy. Better check the subtext or the fine print. Tell the time to this fly shit. I like every bad bitch should be on my dick. Felt like niggas lied to us. 1, 2, 3. Just got a call from the movers. They said they're here. This is it. This is it. Man, I'm gonna miss her. She clean. Bye, baby. See you on the other side of the world.
So yeah, once it's loaded, I'm not gonna move it anymore. So it's gonna be in there until it gets over there.
Okay.
So.
I was just like, yeah, shopped around, bro. I ain't rich.
No, I already know. Motherfucker, you rich.
Man, what you
ain't selling me, don't you?
started the trip to Florida a couple hours ago and prepping to enter Arizona. Been driving for 2 hours now, and I'm just trying to figure out how it is that I haven't even reached halfway to Florida by now. What the hell? This shit trash as fuck. I'm already tired. I just missed the sign, but we've entered Arizona. Next is gonna be New Mexico, and then I think Texas. Leaving New Mexico and entering Texas. We here, baby.
In 1.9 miles, take exit 46A on the left to merge onto I-69 North.
Under no condition would you ever catch me slipping. Motorcade shooters plus the Maybach chauffeur driven. If they catch me with it, they'll send me off to prison. Judge ain't sympathizing. Court don't show.
Hell yeah. What up, y'all? Got into Jacksonville last night. Slept over at buddy's couch. I haven't closed on a house yet, so I don't have the keys. So I had no way to get in. As you can see,
In
bags,
3/4 of a
bags still
mile,
packed.
turn right onto Timber Falls Lane.
Tired as hell. The driver towing the vet called, said he was 30 minutes out, so I figured I'd go get the car and I'll go meet him, and then also see the house for the first time. I am tired. Here comes the truck. That was fast. What's going on?
What's up, man?
Oh, bro, you look tired.
Huh?
You look tired. That was fast. Shit, man, you were hauling ass, huh? Shit.
There we go. Still in the same place.
Still in the same position. That's fucking great. It's fucking great. Looks the same. Just a little bit more dirty, but that's about it.
They always get dusty in there.
Yeah. This is so much better. I shouldn't get fucked with now. That apartment complex gave me hell. Parking and the noise and the bike. Ah, man. Never forget that. Get a house, guys. Definitely way more room to wiggle. That's bullshit. I'm gonna back up to the garage and then go get some food.